Oh shoot, that's water is a little faster than I was thinking. Turns out the river actually does take you.
You sound very hazardous to travel with. Not sure how. I'm gonna die. Alright, there we
You sound very hazardous.
go. I mean, I'm sorry. You're walking through the woods. I am walking through an apocalyptic hellhole. Fuck do you want from me? Oh, excuse me.
Oh, jeez. This thing bit me. What's a
A skunk?
muskrat? Ow. Well, I got the cougar before it killed me or the horse. Oh, she just jumped over a tiny rock. For whatever reason.
I don't know where you are now. I've got people
Oh, crap.
attacking me.
Just riding like
Okay.
20 now.
Yep, just go.
Oh.
Oh!
God.
What was that?
Evidently my horse likes walls as much as I do.
Well, it's good to have consistency.
It's a sweet ass view to come into.
Oh, jeez. You are really close to that edge.
Yep. Not sure why.
I don't either. What do we do with
Up
him?
to,
If,
up to you.
Hmm.
Nope.
Well, that,
That decided for us, I guess.
exactly.
Wolves.
Oh, yep.
You okay?
Yep, I'm good. Yep.
Yep. Did I get it? Ah!
Huh, that looked fun, actually.
It was kind of fun.
Oh, Cliff. Oh. I see. You're down.
I'm down.
Oh!
Nope. So are you.
I'm down.
You love how you like just.
Oh shit!
Wow. Hello. Like catapulted you.
Oh, that's
I'm
really
gonna
nice,
serve
girl.
myself for dinner. Here. Front door service. I'll shoot you literally through the door.
Oh damn! Nope. Go, girl. 2 shots, 2 wolves, both dead. It's a timber wolf. And
Uh-oh.
it's a 3-star. So I
That
got him
sounds
good.
useful, though. Yeah, exactly.
Perfect wolf pelt. Girl, come here. Nah, they're dead. Don't worry. Wow. And the other is a 3-star timber wolf. Oh, jeez. Girl. I just got mowed over by an elk.
Yeah, they're there. What other?
Oh no! Get it? No, stop! Stop it! Oh, oh, ow!
Alright, let's see.
Oh shoot, there's more.
That row. The animals are ganged up on you. It's time. Oh,
Ow. Ooh, that was pretty nasty. Mauled by a wolf. Well, that's surprising. She kept the elk pelt on her. Oh,
Mm,
stupid goat.
oh, you do. They are lit.
Yep.
Oh, throw that dynamite.
No, 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 don't
Oh,
ignite that.
What'd you do?
The heck? Okay. Jeepers, that's not far. You're sinking!
What? No, I'm not.
Huh. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you that later, because you guys, literally, all I could see was a smokestack.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sparta! Shit. My bad.
Oh! In India.
Yep. Oh.
Good to see you back.
Ah. Your
You want to
horse is
come
behind.
out of there now, girl? Don't run him
like
over.
right
Come on. Atta
She
girl.
reversed all the way out. That was funny.
Yeah.
Oh, for the love of God. You think you a lawman? Go to hell. Hey, you there. Do the right thing. Help me. Is this your dumb way of looking for trouble? You gonna regret not. Just put this idiot in the goddamn ground.
Ooh,
I know
knockout.
what you meant.
Sweet. Okay.
Damn it.
Hopefully
Mama
this
said
guy
knock
is
you out.
actually a criminal, or actually someone that needs help and not a criminal. And I just killed the lawman bringing him in.
I'm stuck here.
Wouldn't that be something?
That would be terrible.
It would be.
Ah, come on. And these ropes are tight. Oh, thank you. Thank
Sounds
you.
like it'd be pretty affile.
They just
Yeah.
grabbed me. Never know what
CC.
a bunch of men with guns and ropes might do. I'm gonna get what I can. All the